You need a new battery, maybe?
No, it's...
Look, Ryan does his fingers like Uncle Joseph.
Here you go. Here you go.
There you go.
Nope. He says, I like it down there.
I know. I'll get started again in just a second. Okay. All right, why don't you drive him around? Okay, you ready?
Whoa, did they get their 1-year-old picture today in the chair?
Yes.
Already on the internet.
Let's go.
All right.
Let's go. You got this one. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. Where are we going? Where are we going?
Is it
Here.
fun?
Angela.
Bye, boys. Bye.
Bye.
Uh-oh.
Bye.
See ya.
See ya.
Can Uncle Joseph drive in the living room?
Bye.
Sure, turn.
And